Come on, come on, come on, come on, my jeep, come on. We have to pass this hill, come on. My blue off-road jeep. Okay, it will pick to the top of hill. Okay, my jeep. Okay, you can do it. Okay, my jeep. Good jeep, you. Oh, this is very high hill. Oh, my car is very strong. It's a tunnel. Oh, be careful. There is another car there. Okay, we passed the tunnel. Okay, my jeep is very good. It has good engine. Okay, we want to run to the top of hill. Okay, there is circle building over there. Oh, we have to pass this building. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, you can do it more. Okay. Oh, there is people here. Oh, oh, no, 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 not here. Pass the right. Okay, be careful. There is person over there. Oh, okay, okay. A good car. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, my best car. Oh, you can do it. Oh, okay.